Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can match photos and videos with the music beats in Capcut. So first, you can add the photos, also the videos that you want to edit like this. I've already added mine, and after that you can add the music. Click on the add audio and click on sound. Just select the music that you want. For example, here I'm going to just use this ones right here. You can download the music first, and after that click on the plus icon. Now I'm going to make the video only, for example, 20 seconds long. So I'm going to cut the audio in here and delete the rest of them. And after that, click on the audio or music and go to the beats option. Now click on auto generate to easily add the mark to the beats. Okay, just wait until it's done. Okay, you can see this is the mark, the yellow dot. Here you can adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with light. Click on the check icon, and now just trim the the audio. I'm going to trim at the beginning, and here you can just cut or stream the clips or photos into the yellow mark like this. You can just drag it like so, and after that you can do this for all of the photos and also the videos like this. So after you do that, you are done, and when you hear the music, also the video, it will be match or sync. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.